Mercedes-AMG is readying its next generation, high-performance SUV. Although this prototype is still wearing plenty of camouflage, there are a few bits that have been removed. More importantly, our spy photographers were able to get close up to the vehicle, giving us a better idea of what to expect when it debuts sometime next year. We can however, pick out that the GLE63 will wear the German automaker's Panamericana grille up front, along with massive air intakes for an aggressive look. There's no hiding that this is the GLE63, with massive wheels on each corner, red brake calipers, and the quad-tip exhaust setup out the rear. One of the biggest change heading to the new GLE63 will be found under the hood. The 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine will be swapped in and performance should match what is offered in the E63 models, meaning up to 603 horsepower in the S trim. Expect to also see the GLE43 getting replaced by a new GLE53 trim. That model will likely use an inline-6 engine with a mild hybrid setup, similar to what debuted on the new CLS53.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.